So here we are, day one at Shine's Women's Refuge, and I've got this beautiful old shed. This is going to be my project for the next few weeks, turning it into some dog kennels.
We applied to Mitre 10 Helping Hands for support, and they very kindly accepted our request for help with building the kennels, and they're really thrilled about that.
I think this is going to be an amazing project because it's really going to help people getting out of their situation and keeping themselves and their dogs safe.
And this is really important for the women who come to us. Many of them, in fact, won't leave home, even in very violent situations, because they don't want to leave their pets.
So here we are inside the shed. So what I'm going to do is pull the whole thing apart so I can get a really good look at it. All these shelves got to come up, carpet's got to come up, the wash basin's got to come out, I've got to take out the toilet, pull the door off there, and the condition of the flooring is pretty average, so I'm going to probably have to get someone in here to skim the whole floor. Yeah, so when it comes to building for dogs, we've got to keep them warm, dry, and the main thing is that they stay within this area so they can't escape.
Our team are really excited about this. This gives us the opportunity to put something into practice that we've hoped for a long time. And we all know that it's really important for women to be able to bring their animals with them.
So this is it, Sally.
Wow, that's incredible.
It's a little bit of a change, isn't it?
A little bit of a change.
Do you remember what it used to look like?
I do, and it didn't look like this. The difference is incredible. You know, it was broken down, old, dusty, dirty, and now it's clean and bright and well lit. It's lovely.
So there were a few surprises. The rats had eaten through a lot of the wires.
Oh.
And the plumbing, it looked like someone had just sellotaped all the joints together. So completely new wiring, plumbing, a new basin over there to wash out dog bowls, etc. A new meter board, so it's nice and safe up here. All new lights, obviously, completely new paint. We've got waterproof lining on the walls and insulation in there, so it's nice and warm. We've just kept it so it's low maintenance and really easy for you to wash out if the dogs do any business in here. It's easy to keep clean.
The fact that we can give women the opportunity to bring their animals, to come with their dog, and especially if they have children, it's fantastic that the family can stay together because, you know, a dog is always part of the family.
Now, I've had dogs my whole life, so I know exactly how important it is to a family. You want to keep your dogs safe, so I'm really, really stoked to be part of this project.